You guys are fighting over it. Come on, sit on my finger. There isn't even anything in that one. Hey, there you go. Come on. Come on. Hello. Hi there. Hello. Here it goes. Come on. Guys, there you go. I felt that. I felt you buzzing my head. Hello. Hi. Hello. No. Hi. He's looking right at me. He's about 2 inches from my screen. It's a huge eagle. Oh no, it's a hummingbird up close. There he goes. Look at. Hi. How you doing? Well, they won't sit on me, but they're hovering.
Here you go. That's what they do. They come and kind of touch down and touch and go.
Hello. The ones that just come and buzz right by my head are the funniest. They like an inch from my head. I can feel you buzzing my head. Hi. Hey there. Jeez. I'm gonna go cross-eyed looking at you guys. Hello. Come on. Look out. Alright. My neck hurts. Hey. I got a nice bird butt. That's good. Alright. Ow.